SWATTEN VH and CFE 5100S *4 matching explanation. First, use the power line to connect 4 CFE 5100S in series, and then connect the total positive and negative of the battery pack to the inverter. Then connect the communication wires between the batteries and connect to the inverter. Insert the inverter wireless communication module. Next, con the mains dianxion. Then dial the batteries from top to bottom according to the dials in the video. The top one is the host, the bottom 3 are slaves. Turn on the batteries in sequence, first the slave and then the master. Then you can check the battery status and adjust it through the inverter.